Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got a special announcement. We're going to be revealing the new project. But before we do that, I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who's ever supported us here on the channel. You know, by purchasing some merch, liking the video, subscribing to the channel. All of that does a big help to help us get to where we are today. So I just want to thank you guys so much for all the support throughout the years that we've been doing this. We're truly grateful. You guys are helping us turn our dreams into reality. So without further ado, I want to introduce you guys to the new project, but let's go ahead and start from the beginning because it's been a journey to get to this point. So guys, it is January 2nd, 2022. We just had New Year's. I'm gonna buy an R34. Like, this is my dream car, and I'm on the verge of purchasing it. We've already been talking to people to make this a reality. I'm not gonna get the car till
2023,
but I'm gonna buy it right now. I just wanted to document this and share this with you guys so that we can look back and be like mind blown.
How do you feel?
I feel blessed, to be honest. Like,
yeah,
I'm so stoked right now. Like, I don't even know
that
what to
we
say.
can like afford your dream car.
Yeah, thank you guys for supporting us. There's no way that we could do this without you guys. Like, yeah, I'm gonna get right, it's Bailey's birthday today and I'm buying it. So it's crazy. I'm just like, oh my god. So
I know.
This is so sick. I can't wait to show you guys this video. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys before it happens, but if you're watching this video, that means it happens. So, oh my gosh, I'm so stoked. I have no words to say right now. But just know that, like, this is a dream car for me, and it's becoming a reality. So, thank you.
You did it, man. Daddy's gonna buy an R34 tomorrow.
So tomorrow, guys, I just got off the phone with Elvin. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to the bank and I'm gonna wire him the amount for the car, and I just have to wait for it to come in now. So, guys, this is so crazy. It's a dream car that I never dreamt of owning or like thought that I could own, but I'm literally gonna go to the bank to buy this car tomorrow. Like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so blessed to be in this position right now.
And you've been watching a lot of R34.
Yeah, I've been watching a lot of R34.
That's all we've been watching.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm like so stoked on this. Like, you don't even know, man. Elvin is so cool. We're gonna go and buy this freaking car tomorrow, and we're gonna just wait for it to come in. It's gonna be over a year, but
it's worth it.
It's so worth it because it's a dream car. It's a bucket list car. Like, I never dreamt of thinking that I'll be ever.
And he's always been talking about an R34.
R34.
Every morning he wakes up at like
I'm gonna buy this
7
car
o'clock.
tomorrow, guys. We did it. We did it. Let's go.
Huh?
We did it, baby. Come.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so I'm leaving Chase right now, and I just made the deposit for the car. I'm gonna send the payment over, and I'm gonna contact them right now. But we just bought my dream car, guys. We did it. We did it. Yay! Good job. Okay, excited?
So we had another guy. He's from Hawaii. He's actually in the mainland now. He's in the States. So he contacted me, and he contacted me. I'm sorry, and he said, "Yo, I want to do the same thing. Storage option in Japan. I'd like to buy a Nissan Skyline R34." So here I am at the bank, literally at the bank right now, and yeah, let's make this transaction happen. I can't wait to post pictures for you guys to see what the car looks like. Do my little music thing and just live life, you know. All right, so everything went well. I'm leaving Chase right now.
So I have bad news. Actually, the car that I was looking at, it has actually already sold. I guess somebody in Japan put a down payment on the car like the day before I sent my money. So obviously they got first dibs on the car. just thought I'd update you guys. The process on this is actually pretty crazy. It's a lot more nuts than I thought it was going to be. R34 has actually become legal next year, 2023. So I'm looking for a 98 model. And I guess a lot of other people are also looking for the same thing. So these cars are flying off the shelves as soon as they become available. So I'm just trying to keep within my budget and hopefully find a car. So I'm trying to lock something in as soon as possible, so that way I have a car coming in 2023 next year. So we're definitely gonna make this happen one way or another. It's just a longer process than I thought it was gonna be. It's not like your regular car shopping where you go and just pick a car and that's the car you get. You literally have to go through a whole bunch of steps because you're purchasing a car from a different country. You're dealing with multiple people to try and get a car, you know, and you want to make sure you get a good car, because there's a lot of stories of people buying cars, spending a lot of money, and it's not what they think it is, meaning they get scammed. The car is just junk, rusted out, and all that stuff. So I'm trying to do this in a very cautious way, because this is my first time buying something from Japan. So I do want to spend some time looking for cars and not just jumping at the first car I see. But the problem with that is that the entire world is looking on the same sites that you're looking at the same auctions that you're looking at. So just because you see a car, 100 other people see the same car. So it's a process. But like I said, I do want to lock a car down. I sent over, like, by this time it's actually been about, the first car didn't go through, second car I sent the payment, which is what you guys saw, and it didn't go through. And I just sent 3 more cars, and 2 of them are already sold. The third one I inquired and they were gonna buy it, and then the same thing that happened, the car sold right before they were able to get the car. So now I sent in 3 more cars, and I'm hoping one of them at least hits. That's still in my budget. Crossing my fingers, one way or another I'm gonna get an R34. I'm claiming it right now. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I'm so excited right now. I just got confirmation that this car finally went through. I now own an R34, guys. This is a dream come true. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking, I don't even know what to say, guys. Today is January 12th, 2022, and I just bought the ultimate dream car for me. I'm so blessed to be in this position in my life right now to be able to do this kind of stuff. And thank you, Jesus. Thank you to everybody who supports what me and Christine do here on the channel. I'm so stoked, guys. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I just got off of work, but I've been stressing about getting a car for the past month, since December of 2021. It is now January 12th, 2022. I first got the idea because I seen a R34 sedan for $9,000 or $10,000 or so, but it was an automatic non-turbo. Now, I didn't believe that it was that cheap because I didn't really think about buying an R34, because I mean, you know, every time you think of an R34, especially in Japan, you're just like, oh damn, that's like way out of my league, way out of my budget, price range that I can afford. But oh my gosh, guys, one thing led to another, and I now own an R34 sedan, manual, turbo. I just wanted to document this moment and share this moment with you guys. But I'm grateful for every step of the way, and I'm glad you guys are here to join me with it, me and Christine and my family. You guys are just like my family too, because you guys are supportive of everything that we do here on the channel. I'm so tired, but I'm so excited. This is crazy, guys. This is so crazy.
Focus. Orthia. Put. 11. Front wheel drive 11. Mark 7. You know the difference between this R34 and that R34? This one's been stuck in the port for fucking 2 years. That's sad, man. Yes, 1000% sure it's a 4-door sedan. That's a Honda. Alright, so out of all this shit, I could not find Blaine's R34. Look at what Blaine's R34 is. Way over there. Apparently it's got no fuel, or Japan took too much fuel out, so we'll see. It's a rule, it's a regulation they got to take the fuel out. They can't have a lot. Alright, yep, this is it. This is it. Yeah, this is it. Turbo. It's turbo and manual. It's got a radio. Probably doesn't work. Oh, it does work. Oh, something like that.
Nervous.
Yeah.
Been waiting a long time for this day. Bought the car last year in January. So I'm just trying to keep calm. Like, I'm super excited, but at the same time, I'm unbelievably nervous right now. That's crazy. Why am I so nervous?
Here's Elvin.
There it is.
Oh.
Good. Finally meet you. Likewise, brother. How's every drive? Good. It's here. It's finally here. We've been waiting a long time for this car. Oh yeah, that's actually perfect. Yeah. Dude. You're like almost touching the ground. It's perfect.
That one's kind of stuck. I'll get it.
All the way out? Bro, I'm so stoked. It actually came up by really quick, man. From that first time we locked it down, I was like, damn, it's gonna be forever, but here we are. Touched it yet. It's official. This belongs to me. Oh, perfect. All right, guys. So the day is finally here. The R34. It's been a journey, but it's finally here. The day is here. So we're here with Elvin. This guy's been in the game for a long time, but I'm gonna let him introduce himself.
How you guys doing? My name is Elvin. Instagram AE86House. I've been doing this for a little over 20 years now. Very thankful of everybody I met, especially this guy here. The R34. Yeah, this is a big deal actually because it's legal. It's time. It's that time we've all been waiting for.
I've seen your stories. There's cars getting stuck at the port because they're trying to bypass the rule, and that was one of the things that you mentioned to me too, right? When I first got in contact with you.
Yeah, exactly. And it's funny you say that because there's an R34 there, and then there's 10 new R34s. So that R34 has been there for about 2 years stuck. It's an unfortunate situation, but it happens, Now we got 10 more that are fully legal to come in, so they're going to be on the streets.
And guess what? Ours is here in our driveway, and his one is still at the port.
Yep.
So anyway, guys, we want to give a big shout out to Elvin, A86House. He helped us along. Like I said, it was a journey. We went through multiple lists of cars, actually.
Yes.
So we locked one down, and now it's in our driveway. So, like I said, we want to give him a big shout out for fighting for us. Always in our corner. And if you guys need anything imported from Japan, hit him up. This is your guy right here. All right, I'll leave all his links and stuff in the description.
Here's the most important part.
Oh man, thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Appreciate you too, man.
All right, guys, peace out. RB25 Japan battery. The Japan battery is just so small.
Yeah, you want to bubble it.
Yeah, I'm gonna swap this.
Ditch those and go to the U.S. terminal.
Bro, the AC works, dude. Bro, the AC works.
Rev them up.
Are you ready? Oh, no, one up. Man, this thing feels good. We're finally here, guys. The car is now tucked away in the garage, ready to start going through it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in the next video a more in-depth view of this car and why I chose the sedan versus the coupe and all of that stuff like that. But I just want to give a big shout out to Elvin. If you guys need anything from Japan, make sure you guys hit him up, A86House on Instagram. He's a good dude. He's a real dude. So if you guys need anything, like I said, hit him up and he'll work with you and all that stuff. It's a big deal for us because getting this car, we had to work hard for it. Nothing's ever given to us. We don't come from money. So just like you, me and Christine, we work really, really hard to get the things that we want in life. I still work a full-time job in order for us to afford to just live. You know what I mean? So like again, I said, thank you guys so much for supporting what we got here going on the channel. It means so much to us that you guys are even watching this right now. If you guys could, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and get ready for more R34 content because I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. And in the next video, like I said, we'll be going over the car in depth. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay good.